Hello guys, so today I'm gonna tell you how you can earn 5 to 10 dollar per day from your mobile. Okay, so this is a very easy work. Everyone can do it. Who has an Android or iOS device. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. So just go to Play Store and search Toloka mobile earnings. Okay, Toloka mobile earnings app. So just install it. I have already installed it, so I'm gonna open it from here. So I just opened it. Sorry for the external noise. So I have already signed it in this app. When you open it, the user interface will look like this. So from here you have to register. So I have registered already, so I am not gonna register. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can register. Okay, so register with Google here, or you can register with your mobile number. So I'm gonna register with my Google account. Okay, so so when you register here, the app's interface will look like this. Okay, so you can see here are many jobs. So these jobs which I have not completed. Okay, $10 you can see here, 0.27 per hour, dollar per hour. You can earn $0.23 per hour. Okay, and I am showing you the jobs which I have completed. So I am gonna just go to done option and see I have completed this job. These are the training jobs. After that, you will get all the money. Okay, so here is, you can show I have done $0.8 job, $0.03 job. So these are the these are the training jobs. After you successfully train your job, you will get the real money. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the available jobs. Look what type of job are here. So this job is point ten dollar point okay, so I'm gonna tell you. So look, record 5 phrases on the video camera of your phone. The speaker's face must be present on the footage. Okay, so this is one job. And the next job is scan your face with the webcam. Okay, so what you have to do is scan your face with the webcam. Here you have just your instruction. Just read the instruction. Hello everyone, we are so you can read here the instruction, and just go for continue. And after pressing the continue button, here you can see proceed to scanning page. Okay, so you can go for scanning face by clicking here. Okay, and many more jobs are available. Amazon jobs are available here. Like I'm going to show you how which Amazon jobs I have done. Just see here, Amazon search really means simplified UI jobs. Amazon search means, yeah. So these are showing zero point zero zero dollar now, but when you successfully completed the jobs, they will give you money. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can withdraw money. So you can go the three dot option which is here, and you can click my money option. Okay, so you can see the payment option. Here is PayPal, here is Skrill, here is Papara, here is Pioneer. Okay, so these four payment options you have here. Okay, you can just go for payment. Okay, so this is how you can earn $5 to $10 per day from your mobile phone. Okay, and go for available jobs. And here you can see many jobs are available, and the jobs will update it hour to hour. Okay, so I will give the download link in my description box. You can try it, try the application. This is newly invented application, this is giving money recently. Okay, so you can try it. Okay, so if you have any query, please ask in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer it. Okay. Okay guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye guys.